We're going to take this helicopter tour and fly over the Lancaster to spot its weaknesses. Remember, we're just two ordinary American tourists looking at these sights.
Don't worry, nobody's gonna suspect anything. It's a great plan.
Don't do anything to arouse any suspicions.
Don't worry, I am Wadi's #1 actor.
Oh.
You don't win 4 Wadian Golden Globes for nothing.
Yes, you do, because you gave them to yourself.
My performance in Aladdin, Jones, and the Temple of Doom was outstanding.
I give it thumbs down.
Have you seen You've Got Mail, Bomb?
Yes, I've seen them all. They're all terrible movies. Listen to me, okay? You are a terrible actor. I urge you, right now, keep your performance small and real.
All right, can you get me a cloak?
Why?
Because I think my guy will be wearing a cloak.
No, your guy wears an American flag sweatsuit and a sheriff's badge.
I need the sheriff's badge.
For what? You're the sheriff of American Douche Town.
That's rude.
Listen, we're going to walk over there, act very inconspicuous.
Okay, great, okay.
Okay, good.
Okay, so when we go to fly...
Don't do that with your eyes. You can't be a Chinese person on this thing.
I'm not Chinese, I'm Chinese-American.
No, but you cannot hold your eyes. Nobody's going to think you're a Chinese American because you hold your eyes like that. It's racist, what you're doing.
Do you know, it's a fact. They cannot pronounce their R's, they pronounce them as L's. So instead, you know what rabbit is in Chinese?
I don't know how to speak Chinese.
It's labbit.
It's not labbit.
Yes, Who Shot Roger Labbit was a huge hit in China.
Nobody. It's I don't care. This is stupid, okay?
Okay, I'll do Filipino. I like to work, I like to talk, I like the I do the kids.
Your Filipino is the same as your Chinese.
Now who's being a racist? I love being an American. America is #1. Oh, I am from USA. My father also from USA. My great-grandfather fought in the American Civil Jihad. I am very proud to be an American. I am America's #1 douche. ستة هم كانوا اتأكل
لك عفوا بهليبة وشكين بيد حناين
شعلت أدق مالا شتايم عشان عمعت حجر
بن لادن
أيوة أسامة شعني أقول أحلى عمات يا بن لادن شمال شعني سمين مع المشعر عشان تهيح من شمال بن لادن تقدر أنا ما ماشي متقاقع على محونيوت شلي
وانت بورشة
أيوة 911
911 it's the best
بيش لي زي أنا بأوتو مع 911 ما شو كرام ايوه انا كده ودخل انا عسير 911 2012
بحوال إلا وحواني لو فويش مش امباير ستيت بيلدينج ولكن ذا يانكي ستاديوم
لا الزب انا عسير بس هو شاينا بس ستاتشيو اوف ليبرتي ايوه
وش ولكن مقروف
اقول شلي سيجارو افل عين الدالي ماشو شبه ماشو زيرلت
ايوه
تستقيل زي ما ماشو زيرلي
شوف عليك
ايوه
مزيان
شوف زيو سيرف زيو تاكابيت انا اجي لك فوناسي من حماشي ادخل خيمه هير 5 4 3 2 1